How to steam clean an oven. A clean oven is essential for safe cooking, consistent heat, and a kitchen that feels well maintained. Over time, baked-on grease and food residue harden inside the oven, making traditional scrubbing difficult and time-consuming. Steam cleaning offers a practical solution by using heat and moisture to loosen stubborn buildup without harsh chemicals. As steam circulates through the oven cavity, dried spills soften and lift from interior surfaces, allowing them to be wiped away with minimal effort. This method protects oven finishes, reduces strong odors, and simplifies routine maintenance. Understanding how steam cleaning works, when to use it, and how to complete the process correctly helps ensure effective results and keeps the oven performing at its best. Welcome to Best Choices. This video will tell you how to heating water to produce steam, and using a steam cleaner. Now let's get started. Method 1. Heating water to produce steam. Number 1. Wipe grease and debris from your oven when it's cool. Use a damp rag to wipe down the inside of your oven. Concentrate on removing only debris and grease that comes off easily. The steam cleaning process will loosen up the more stubborn, caked-on grime. Be sure to wait until your oven is completely cool before starting to clean it. You can also use a vacuum with a hose attachment to suck up loose debris. Number 2. Put 1 cup, 240 milliliters of distilled or filtered water into your oven. If you have an oven with a steam cleaning setting, you can pour the water directly into the bottom of your oven. If you have an oven without a steam cleaning setting, on the other hand, fill an oven-safe pot or bowl, like a casserole dish, with water and put it on a rack in your oven. Refer to the owner's manual for specific instructions regarding how much water you should use when cleaning your oven with steam. Using distilled or filtered water instead of water from your tap will keep your oven free of water spots and mineral deposits. You can purchase distilled water at most grocery stores. If you're filling an oven-safe dish with water, you can also pour in half a cup, 120 milliliters, of vinegar for extra cleaning power. Or, if your oven is extremely dirty, you can use 1 cup, 240 milliliters of vinegar only. Number 3. Push the Steam Clean button on your oven if your oven has one. Some oven models, especially newer ones, will have a separate setting for steam cleaning your oven, often found near the Self-Clean button. If yours has such a button, refer to the owner's manual for model-specific instructions about how to use it. If your oven doesn't have a steam cleaning setting, heat it to 450 degrees Fahrenheit 232 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. With some oven models with a separate steam clean setting, you may have to press the steam clean button first and then add water when the oven display prompts you to do so. For most ovens with a steam cleaning setting, the process will last anywhere from 20 to 30 minutes. Number 4. Wipe down the inside of your oven once it cools. Your oven will beep when the steam clean process has completed. Once you hear this, or after about 20 to 30 minutes, turn off your oven. Let your oven cool down, and then use a sponge or dish rag to clean up any excess water or food particles. Use a rag or sponge that you don't mind getting stained. This step may get pretty messy, so be sure to put on some old clothes and keep a garbage can nearby. Make sure to clean any racks or pans that are in the oven as well. Number 5. Clean off stubborn stains with a non-abrasive cleaner. Following the directions of the cleaner you use, rub the cleaner onto the stains you want to remove with a sponge or cleaning cloth. Barkeeper's Friend or a similar cleaner would work well for this step. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 2. Using a steam cleaner. Number 1. Fill your steam cleaner with distilled water. Take off the cap to the water tank in your cleaner. Then, pour distilled water into the tank. Use a funnel to prevent water from spilling as you pour. You can buy distilled water at any grocery store. Number 2. Put a stainless steel brush attachment onto your steam cleaner. A rough, stainless steel attachment will help scrape off grease and baked-on stains. If the stainless steel attachment doesn't seem to be strong enough to clear up the gunk in your oven, try using a scraper attachment. A steam cleaner designed for household cleaning should work well for oven cleaning. Always use caution when using a steam cleaner, as the hot steam can scald you or people around you. Number 3. Select a high temperature and pressure setting and let the water heat up. The high temperature and pressure will help loosen up years of grime caked on your oven. You can always start on lower settings to see how they work and then gradually increase the temperature and pressure as needed. On cheaper household models, you'll probably need to use the maximum setting. If you're using a more expensive model that is designed to be used commercially, on the other hand, you might want to start on a lower setting to begin with. Number 4. Start the machine and scrub your oven with the attachment. Move the stainless steel attachment back and forth against the interior surface of your oven. You won't need to press down too hard because the steam will do most of the work of loosening the grime. Start by cleaning the inside of the door and then move farther inside the oven. Wipe off grime with a cleaning cloth or sponge as you loosen it up. The steam will be safe on all surfaces in your oven, including enamel, glass, and stainless steel. Be sure to read the instruction manual for your specific steam cleaner before using it. Number 5. Scrub your oven down with vinegar and baking soda. If you'd like to use a natural method to clean off stubborn stains, spray the interior of your oven with vinegar. Then, sprinkle baking soda on top of the vinegar-coated surface. After letting the vinegar and baking soda mix sit for 30 minutes, use a sponge or cleaning pad to thoroughly scrub the surface until it's clean. You can also use a product like Barkeeper's Friend if you'd prefer. If you don't like the smell of vinegar, use lemon juice instead. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Tips. 1. Removing loose crumbs and surface grease before steaming allows the steam to focus on stubborn, baked-on residue, making the final wipe down much easier. 2. Distilled or filtered water prevents mineral buildup and water spots inside the oven, helping maintain the interior finish over time. 3. Wiping the oven when it has cooled slightly but is still warm helps remove softened grime more effectively without risking burns. 4. While racks can be steamed, soaking them separately in warm water and vinegar may produce better results for heavy grease buildup. 5. Vinegar and baking soda enhance stain removal without harsh fumes, making them ideal for routine maintenance and sensitive households. Warnings. 1. Always allow the oven to cool completely before wiping or adding water to avoid burns and thermal shock to oven surfaces. 2. Steel wool or harsh scrubbing pads can scratch enamel, glass, and stainless steel interiors, leading to permanent damage. 3. High-pressure steam can cause serious burns. Keep hands, face, and pets away from the steam nozzle during use. 4. Excess water can spill, cause uneven heating, or leak into oven components not designed for moisture. 5. Steam, vinegar, or loosened grease odors can build up quickly. Open windows or use an exhaust fan to maintain airflow. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no.